Hi, this video is about accounting terminologies. The first one is bookkeeping. Bookkeeping means simply recording the transactions in various books of accounts. Accounting. Accounting is a mature form of bookkeeping which has the features of bookkeeping, classifying, and summarizing the financial data. Accountancy. Accountancy is study of accounting only. Transaction. An accounting transaction is a business event having a monetary impact on the financial statement. Entity. Entity is an economic unit which has separate and distinct existence. Entry. It is a record of the business transaction in accounting books of the business. Goods. The items in which a business deals, they can be finished or raw material or both. It affects to three accounts which are purchases, sales, and stock or inventory. Profit and loss. Revenue minus cost is equal to profit or loss. Debtors. They are customers or accounts receivable to whom goods sold or services rendered on credit. Creditors. They are suppliers or accounts payable who give the goods or render their services to the company on credit. Outstanding expenses. Unpaid expenses for the period such as salaries, rents, etc. They are also called expenses payable. Outstanding income. The income which has become due during the accounting year but has not so far been received by the company, such as discounts and commissions. Drawing. When an owner withdraws assets from the company for personal use, it will be called drawing. Drawing account is debited and shown in balance sheet, reducing owner's capital. Return outwards. There are These are purchase returns. Return inwards. These are sales return. Thank you.